Measures J Chemicals purchased a liquid soap having taxable value of rupees 8,000 and sold it to the consumers for the taxable value of rupees 10,000. Rate of GST is 18%. Find CGST and SGST payable by Measures J Chemicals. So input tax, it is 18% of 8,000, calculated rupees 1,440. Output tax 18% of 10,000. It is rupees 1800. So GST payable is output tax minus input tax credit. So rupees 360. So CGST is GST divided by 2, that is rupees 180, and SGST is rupees 180. Children, study this example 2 and example 3 very carefully. Both are the types of tax invoices which are commonly used. While purchasing goods, ask the shopkeeper whether the printed price includes GST or not. Now study this example 3. Measures J Chemicals purchased a liquid soap for rupees 8,000 with GST. This is very important. Same sum, but now this is with GST, and sold it to the consumers for rupees 10,000, again with GST. Rate of GST is 18%. Find the amount of CGST, SGST to be paid by J Chemicals. Note that here the prices are including GST. Total value with GST, taxable value plus GST. So if the taxable value of liquid soap is rupees 100, then the total value is rupees 118. The ratio of total value divided by taxable value is constant as the rate of GST is same. So for total value of rupees 118, the taxable value is rupees 100. For total value of rupees 8,000, X be the taxable value. Rupees X be the taxable value. So we write it like this. Taxable value 100 and the value with GST here it is 118. So likewise the value with GST is 8,000. Taxable value is X. So calculated rupees 6,779.66. GST paid at the time of purchase, it is 8,000 minus this value. So input tax is 1,220.34. For the total value of rupees 10,000, the taxable value be rupees Y. For 10,000 it is Y. For 118 taxable value is 100. So value of Y, simplification, cross multiplication, 8,474.58. So output tax is tax collected, that is 10,000 minus 8,474.58. So you have rupees 1,525.42. So GST payable is output tax minus input tax. It is rupees 305.08. Payable CGST is payable SGST, that is 305.08 divided by 2. How much? Rupees 152.54. So J Chemicals has to pay how much? CGST and SGST rupees 152.54. Same CGST, same SGST. Study the example. Suppose a manufacturer sold a cycle for a taxable value of rupees 4,000 to the wholesaler. So here we'll write manufacturer and then here we'll write wholesaler. Wholesaler sold it to retailer for rupees 4,800. So here in the third blank we write retailer. 4,800, that is taxable value. Retailer sold it to customer. So next column, next blank space, here we'll write customer. Retailer sold it to customer for rupees 5,200, that is taxable value. Rate of GST is 12%. Complete the following activity to find the payable CGST, SGST at each stage of trading. So trading chain. So first we are writing here manufacturer, then wholesaler, then retailer, then here customer. Then output tax of manufacturer, 12% of 4,000. So we'll calculate here 4,000 into 12 divided by 100. So calculate, here you have rupees 480. Then GST payable by manufacturer is rupees 480. Output tax of wholesaler, 12% of 4,800. So that is rupees 576. GST payable by wholesaler is output tax minus input tax. Output tax minus input tax. It is rupees 96. Output tax of retailer, 12% of 5,200. So calculate 5,200 into 12 divided by 100. GST payable by retailer, that is output tax of retailer minus input tax credit of retailer. So it is 624 minus 576. So it is rupees 48. Statement of GST payable at each stage of trading. Now manufacturer, GST payable is 480. We have calculated over here rupees 480. So 240 CGST, 240 rupees SGST. Wholesaler rupees 96. So here rupees 48 and rupees 48 SGST. So here it is rupees 48. So CGST rupees 24, SGST rupees 24. Here total 624, here 312, and here it is 312. Complete this activity.